In this tutorial, I will show you how a WordPress theme works for you. So once you've installed a WordPress theme onto your WordPress website, it will basically have structured a front page for you. So this WordPress theme is made up of several template files in PHP. You have your header, and this is the front page content and the footer area. So different WordPress themes will provide you different structures. So probably yours is different. So if I go to my WordPress dashboard, I'm going to show you the theme that I've installed onto my WordPress website, which is Serif Lite. So as long as this Serif Lite theme is compatible with my Elementor plugin, and it has a very nice header with the menu and a very nice footer, it is more than enough for me to design my website, because at the end of this course I'm going to use this Elementor plugin to design my website. Later I'm going to show you how it looks like. So if you go to appearance and go to theme editor, so you can see that this Serif Lite are made up of several template files in PHP. You have your footer, header, front page, which is this one, and other as well. And it also has preset your style.css. So CSS basically determines how your website is going to look like. For example, your font family, your font color, font size, your button color, and the background image. If you go back to your dashboard, if you want to design your WordPress front page, you can go over here, which is customized under appearance. This is where you can put in all the informations in different sections. For example, site identity, you can put in your title, your tagline over here. Whatever contents you put over here, it will reflect on here. Also, you can put in a site icon, which is amazing. Well, on the front page section, which is this one, and you can put in all the contents. For example, your big title, the main content. So the title, blogger, YouTuber, which is over here, you can change the link, your label, and everything. So you can see that you can finish design your website within minutes. So what I like about this WordPress theme is that I can go to whatever parts that I want to put in the content. For example, this part, I just need to click on this button. Again, I can start to change the title, the subtitle, and everything. If I go down, it has all the buttons where you can put in the contents. For example, this one, just click on it, you enter the footer contents, which is the template files, footer.php. You can start putting the information. Well, this one is basically the extra footer area. If you click on it, you're entering the widgets, footer area 1, and this is footer area 2. You can put in the widgets and present your website under this footer area. So later on, I'm going to show you how to put in all the widgets and the information. So one of the problems that you use WordPress theme that has preset and designed the front page for you is that you cannot change the background image. If you don't like this button color, you cannot change it. If you want to add one more icon over here into 5 columns instead of 4 columns, you cannot do that. It is pretty hard unless you go to the theme editor to customize it. And in order for you to access to the theme editor, for example, the one that I've shown you just now, which is this one, it is going to be very complicated. So I would advise you not to touch all these things in this theme files. So this is why my course is a good help for you, because I'm going to show you how to design your homepage using Elementor plugins and with other add-on plugins. So I'm going to show you one of my page that I've designed as homepage using Elementor. So this is the one, so I'm going to show it to you. So this is a homepage that I've designed using Elementor, and I can change totally everything. The background photo, the animated gradient color changes. I can add more columns if I want. I can change the button color. I can put in a very nice background video and the buttons as well with animations and all the things. However, I still can have my header, which is pretty nice. If I scroll down, I will still see my header with the menu, because this is how the WordPress theme works for you. And I still can have my footer area. So basically you can hide the footer area or the header, but I chose to have them because it still look pretty nice. So this homepage is under the URL address of jbinnovator.site/home2. So when visitors visit my website, which is jbinnovator.site, they're going to the WordPress theme preset homepage. So how to set this page as my front page? So it's pretty simple. Just go back to your dashboard, go to settings, go to reading. Over here it says your home page displays a static page. You can choose the page that you have designed with Elementor and click Save Changes. So when visitors visit my website, they can go to my customized Elementor web page as my home page. So this is how it looks like, and it still looks amazing, isn't it? So apart from the front page that the WordPress theme has preset and structure for you, it also actually preset a structure, a blog page for you, where you still have your header, your list of posts. So whenever you have written a post or you have added a new post, they will automatically update themselves as a list over here. And you have your sidebar where you can put in extra informations, for example social network icons, the videos, your social feeds, your recent posts, or you can put in your ads or photos. So in the next few lectures I will teach you how to put in the informations with widgets. Also, you still have your footer area, so you can see that there is a similar pattern to it, where you have your header, your sidebar, and your footer area. I'm going to show you one of my web pages that I've designed that basically has no header, no sidebar, no footer area, which is Internet of Me. This is the URL address. So in this page, it is basically full width without any header, but I leave a button over here so the visitors can go back to my main website. So you can see that it has nothing, and I've designed it using Elementor plugin with full of animations, and it has no footer area, but I've designed myself a very nice footer area. Let's go back to my website again, which shows my front page. So hopefully you have understand on how a WordPress theme works for you and how it has structured the website for you with the header, the contents, and the footer area. So in the next few lectures, I'm going to show you how to put in all the informations on the sidebar and the footer area.